Hey guys, it's Ms. Devani with your science class. How does matter change? Review. This lesson is found on pages 365 until 371. Let's get started. Let's remember the facts about matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. And taking away or adding heat can change matter. Now guess what time is it? Time to solve the riddle. The riddle says, feed me and I will live, but give me a drink of water and I will die. What am I? I will give you 10 seconds so you can think about the answer for the riddle. Feed me and I will live, but give me a drink of water and I will die. What am I? Time. Feed me and I will live, but give me a drink of water and I will die. What am I? A fire. Now, as part of our review, we are going to label the changes to water when we add heat or when we take away heat from water. Here we have the word bank. The word bank has 4 words: freezing, evaporation, melting, and condensation. We have 4 pictures. We have a lake that has water vapor on the top of it. Then we have an ice cream cone. The third picture is the bottom of a bottle on a table on a warm day. And the fourth picture is some popsicles in the freezer. Now I want you to pause the video and try to label each one of these pictures. One is freezing, one is evaporation, one is melting, and one is condensation. Pause the video. Now that you have paused your video, let's check to see if you have the correct answers. Here we have the correct answers. The first picture is a lake with water vapor on the top of it. This is evaporation. The second picture is an ice cream that is melting because heat has been added to it. The third picture is a bottle on a warm day, and this is causing condensation. The fourth picture is some popsicles that has been frozen in the refrigerator. After you've paid attention to the review, now you can open your book on page 370. On page 370, we are going to make a summary of the lesson. Number 1 says circle it. Here you have to circle the answer. Here you have 2 questions. One says, what happens when you heat liquid water? It can either be evaporation or condensation. You have to circle your answer. The second question in number 1 says, what happens when you freeze water? It shrinks or it expands. Circle your answer. Number 2, solve it. Write the answer to the riddle. This is why Ms. Devani has been doing riddles with you guys, so that you can get used to solving riddles. So the riddle says, you see me as a morning dew or wet drops on a glass. I come around when water changes to a liquid from a gas. What am I? Write your answer. Number 3 is where you get creative. You have to draw. Draw a solid before and after it melts. And when you finish page 370, then you go to page 371. And the instruction says, read the label in each box. Write or draw what happens to water during each change. And the title is Changes to Water. We have 4 labels: condensation, evaporation, freezing, and melting. You can write something or you can draw pictures. On the side of the page, Miss Avani has 4 clip arts that she have there for you. You can use them and draw them in each box. Don't forget, when you're finished, take a picture and send it to my WhatsApp. I hope you enjoyed the class. I enjoyed making it for you guys. Enjoy your weekend. Goodbye.